Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss some common reasons for automatic shutdowns in LG air conditioners. So, if you've been experiencing this issue, keep watching to find out what might be causing it and how you can fix it. Reasons for automatic shutdown. There are several reasons why your LG air conditioner might be shutting down automatically. Let's dive into the most common ones. Overheating. Your air conditioner could be overheating due to a lack of proper airflow, a dirty or clogged filter, or issues with the fan motor. Make sure you regularly clean or replace your filters and maintain proper airflow to prevent overheating. Refrigerant pressure issues. If the refrigerant pressure in your system is too high or too low, your air conditioner might shut down to prevent damage. This could be caused by refrigerant leaks, a faulty compressor, or a malfunctioning expansion valve. You'll need a qualified technician to inspect the system and fix the problem. Electrical issues. Voltage fluctuations or electrical surges can cause your air conditioner to shut down automatically. Make sure your power supply is stable and consider installing a surge protector or voltage stabilizer. Faulty sensors or components. Malfunctioning sensors or components can trigger an automatic shutdown. Examples include faulty temperature sensors, pressure sensors, or circuit boards. A technician should diagnose and replace any defective components. Icing or freezing. If the evaporator coil is freezing, your air conditioner may shut down to prevent damage. Regular maintenance and addressing underlying issues can help prevent this problem. Timers or sleep mode. Check your air conditioner's settings to ensure that no timer or sleep mode functions have been inadvertently enabled. Software or firmware issues. Sometimes, the air conditioner's software or firmware may cause unexpected shutdowns. Check for and install any available updates, following the manufacturer's recommendations. Conclusion. So, those were some common reasons for automatic shutdowns in LG air conditioners. If you're experiencing this issue, we hope this video has helped you identify the possible cause. Remember, always consult the user manual or contact a qualified HVAC technician to diagnose and resolve any issues with your air conditioner. Regular maintenance and inspection can help prevent such problems and ensure optimal performance. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.